med student, right?
Duquesne.
Duquesne. Right.
The youth around the globe are scared about our future. We are worried about what the excess methane and carbon emissions will mean for our health, the health of our future families, and the environment we currently live in. But just because we are scared doesn't mean we're giving up.
That's right.
Young people everywhere are taking action now to put pressure on local elected officials to do whatever they can to address climate change and take bold, meaningful action. If we come together and demand change, they will listen to us. Our future depends on it. There's no longer a partisan debate, but a human one. It is our inalienable human right to clean air and clean water. It is a moral obligation to uphold the integrity of creation. This is the most urgent of times, the most urgent of messages. So stand with me as we shout our message loud and clear for the world to hear. As we say, when trying to change everything, we need to change everyone, everywhere. Thank you.
All right. One of the key supporters of People's Climate Movement is Action United. They had a whole bus of folks that went to New York last year. So you have Derek.
Derek!
Hi, I'm Derek. I'm a disabled veteran on a fixed income, and I'm an angry Action United member.
Woo!
It ain't gonna take it no more.
All right.
I'm up here today to let Keith Rothfuss know that climate change denial will not be the status quo.
That's right.
Climate change is a huge issue for Action United members. We took a whole busload of members to the 400,000 strong march in New York City last year, and it worked.
Woo!
Hundreds of members in our organization are joining with frontline communities across the country and are standing up to put an end to the big money carbon polluters.
Boo!
Like California Governor Jerry Brown said, what has been the source of our prosperity has become the source of our ultimate destruction.
Yeah. That's right.
And he's got good company on this issue too, the Pope, Brother Frank.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pope Francis says we're not faced with two separate crises, one environmental and the other social, but rather with one complex crisis, which is both social and environmental.
Yeah.
Strategies for a solution demand an integrated approach to combating poverty, restoring dignity to the excluded, and at the same time protecting nature.
That's right. Yeah.
Because they know we need jobs in our community, they want us to believe that the only jobs available are in fracking.
Boo! Boo!
But if the government invested in renewable energy like they do in the carbon industry with their billions of dollars of corporate welfare, we could be building green infrastructure, green jobs, and a better economic future for our country.
Yeah. That's right. Woo!
Do you want a better future for our country?
Yes!
It is now time for representatives like Keith Rothfuss to stop stalling and get to work to save the planet for our kids and our next generation.
That's right.
While low-income communities like mine are the least able to withstand climate change, we are standing strong for climate justice.
Right.
Don't trust Keith Rothfuss.
Don't trust Keith Rothfuss. Don't trust Keith Rothfuss.